Hello again! Alright, this is going to be how math is for the next couple weeks, and I don't know about you, but I'm excited. So today I'm going to go over our target with you about how we're counting by sevens today. You're going to have time to do your sprint, we're going to do a little learning, and then you'll have time to do your problem set all before math groups. Alright, let's get started. Our target for today says, I can count by multiples of 7 as a strategy to multiply and divide. I will show this by using number bonds to decompose. All right, there's a couple of words in here that I want us to talk about. Let's start at the top. I can count by multiples. Multiples. Multiples is a fancy word for just saying numbers that can fit easily into each other or with one another. Goes into easily is a nice way of putting it. So I'm going to write here so I don't forget. Goes into. Now, let me show you what I'm talking about. If we know we are counting by multiples of 7 today, I'm going to start down here. I'm going to start with my 7. Okay? Now, I know that a multiple of 7 means what's next. What comes after 7 when I'm counting by 7s? I know that it's not going to be 8, it's not going to be 9, not going to be 10, so on and so forth, all the way to 14. Okay, so 7 and 14 is a multiple of 7. Okay, so that's what we're going to do, and you'll see that there's a question after this video that asks you to count 7s all the way to 7D. Okay, you're practicing your multiples of 7. Now, let's go back to our target and talk about some of these other words that we need to remember. Multiples of 7 as a strategy to multiply. Everybody show me multiply. Hopefully your arms are crossed like mine. And divide. And I think it was Gianni who showed us how to do the division like this. Divide. I will show this by using number bonds. So I hope you're picturing something that looks something like this. There might be a few more circles on the outside, but that's kind of our general number bond. And then our last word is to decompose. Everybody show me. Decompose. To take apart. That's right. Whoa, losing my marker. To take apart. Okay, so that's our target for today. Now, I also wanted to quickly point out that you are going to need your packet for today. We need week 1, lesson 5 pattern sheet. That's what this looks like. Okay, so go ahead and go get that, and then you're ready to keep moving.